Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, it seems that Patch Tuesday updates for the month of February are causing more than one issue. And the funniest part of all of this is that there's a update that is causing a problem that basically is giving 0x800F0922 errors when you try to install Windows updates. It stops at 96% and gives errors, and then it removes the changes. So it would seem that this is also caused by the recovery issue that the other update has a problem with. So this is going to cause some issues if it happens on some people for Windows 10, and this is very important. This is Windows 10. So if you are on Windows 10 and you're having problems with also the last security updates of February, then Microsoft has said that there will be a fix coming through, and that it will also have a fix for the previous update, the KB5039441, that doesn't install because of the recovery issue. So this is, Microsoft in the way that it does things. And of course, they were saying that there's a, when you go to the page where they talk about KB5039441, saying that in some machines it may be not going to install, they put a script there that can be run to fix the issue, but they have said that a official fix is coming soon to fix it and to once and for all make sure that the problem goes away. So if you're on Windows 10 and you have these problems, it's supposed to be fixed at some point in a near future. They are saying in one of the next updates it will actually be fixed. So this is crazy. I mean, Windows 10 didn't need to have all of that crap happening. I mean, come on. And especially for something that I still can't understand, that, they didn't focus on fixing this issue only on people that use BitLocker, because honestly, I see a lot of people saying, yeah, but we're not secure. Yes, you are. If you're not using BitLocker, this security update has absolutely no impact. The fix doesn't fix anything security for you because you're not using BitLocker. It's really for BitLocker users only. And the worst part is BitLocker is not part of the home version, and even the home versions are getting that update with errors. Crazy Microsoft. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.